Hey guys, Ariel Arts Intuitive, and I'm outside today. Just found a nice place where it's quiet and lots of rocks. And I brought my Angels and Ancestors deck just in case. I wanted to pull some couple cards, and I think I'll just go ahead and do that. So I'm holding the phone while I do this. Yeah, this is the most like woodsy place I could find that's near me, and it has a little like river, lake. Oop. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this card came out. Okay. Ooh, a hawk. Okay, sorry. Focus. This card came out again, the High Priest. Intend and create. And it's cool because I just saw a hawk, and I think it's a hawk. I'm not 100% sure. So, look at the High Priest. Having intention to create. Okay, let's see what else. The Stag. Ooh, that's cool. Trust and thrive. So trust and thrive. Ooh, the stag horns right there. Empowerment, trust, source, thrive, intention, and create. Okay. What else? Ooh, man, a lot of masculine energy. The Lord, which is like the Emperor. What? Okay, so lots of masculine energy coming in. Take charge with authority, taking action. I love how there's a lot of emphasis on I don't know, you call them horns, or a lot of masculine energy coming through. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, shield maiden, make plans and focus. Okay, so yes, this is a lot of like making plans, focus, intention, a lot of masculine energy coming through. Shield, like you are guarded. Guard yourself, don't be too guarded, I would say. Let's see what else comes out. Eagle, oh my goodness. Eagle. Lots of like bird energy coming out. Seen from a higher perspective. Yeah, look at that. Look at all the birds coming out in this reading. Lots of masculine energy. Shield maiden. Trusting and thriving. Taking charge with authority. Oh, there's like little lizards. Ooh, unlock the magic within. Magic guardian. Okay. This is just for, let's see what else we get. The snake, shed old skin. What else? Oh, I dropped one. Ooh, move into a new direction, travel. So, yeah, travel. I mean, just like, for instance, the last 2 days, like I came out here, not very long, probably not stay too long, but travel, go somewhere. Wait for important information, the oracle. So going within and trusting. Definitely lots of masculine energy. Sorry, I keep thinking that there's like, it's just the leaves. I think there's a lizard or something gonna pop out. Okay, and then a lot of trusting your instincts, making plans. Wow, a lot of oracle energy, a lot of like visionary energy as well, like trusting your intuition, going within, seeing beyond the physical circumstances, seeing beyond any illusions or whatnot. Trusting. Let's just do one more. And ooh, spring, and we are going into spring soon. I mean, it's not that far away. See your seeds grow with the rabbit or the hare here. So beautiful. Okay, just a quick video. Okay, have a good Monday, guys. Bye.